Okay, I take off the power supply. So when it's writing 5 volt and 15 volt in this power supply, that's mean 5 volt for this door, for the USB, and 15 port for this connector. It make a noise, but to make it aside, bypass if there is an issue with this one, I connect directly my charger 15 volt to it directly to the wire. Okay, and the wire go directly to the tablet. Down. It's connected, is on. Okay, see, 15 volt. So still not working. Okay, this kind of computer, PC, tablet, when there is no battery on or it's dead, it will not work. Even you plug the charger, it's really need a working battery. So what I did also, I did open from the downstairs here. Downstairs, from down the cover, and I found there is some liquid go in it, if you see here, like coffee or tea. And this is the battery. Okay, so I will try to boost the battery to charge it without the tablet, directly with the machine. After I charge it, we'll test it together again. Okay, so I don't touch anything here. I have to go step by step. Now I need to charge the battery to be sure it's good. Then we connect and try to turn it on. If it's gonna turn on, good, but we will need to see if the charger charged it. Okay, if it turn on and charge, life is beautiful, is okay. If it turn on and charge, then after some time it will die again. That's mean you will need a new battery. Okay, and maybe also new charger. But for the moment it's off, no power. We will need to turn it on. Okay, I will charge the battery and make another video, or just come back. Okay, because I cannot let you wait until I charge the battery.